Hey and welcome to Alt1. Yes, this has been a long coming video. Did not go well. Yes, we can start with that. As I did use a lot of time on one certain robot I was planning to use in the challenge, I could not use that robot. That was one that was specifically made for the challenge. So I needed to bring in a new robot. The robot is the same good, but you need to use some time on it so you get the correct settings and all this good stuff. So what happened is that I started to fall behind the challenge. And I need to set up the robot harder and harder so I could reach the target. But the problem is when I start to run the robot too hard, I started to see that yes, was a big chance that I was going to blow the account. Not below the account, but reach the 5% limit or 6%. It's a 6% limit on this one. And yes, we reached the 6% limit. If, of course, was not for the limit, we would have won the trade later on. But as we have a 6% limit, we did not manage this challenge with this robot. So I will later on, I'll take another challenge where we have unlimited time. So we can run the robot safe, the way it's supposed to be run, and we can build account slowly and steady and do it correctly. This challenge was not for my robot, was too hard in that way, because we need to make so much money in so short time. And this robot we have is a very safe robot, and if you start to put up the values, it's not that safe more. So it's better to keep it safe and run it correctly. So for that, yes, we did not manage this challenge, but just follow. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Very soon we'll take another challenge where we have unlimited time and we will do things correctly with the robot, and you can see how good this robot actually is. So still, if you want a good Forex robot, make sure you take the robot you find below. It's a good robot, but for this challenge, it's maybe 4 out of 10 times you pass the challenge with this robot, if you're lucky. That's how it is with this robot. So if you see it that way, for this challenge, maybe it's not. But if you think you can afford to spend, so you get the money in the after, because when you pass the challenge, then you can set down the robot to a safe limit and then run it correctly. But for me, I will take another challenge for this robot later on. So with that, have an amazing day.